If you have stiff and painful shoulders, neck pain, frozen shoulder, spend hours a day on keyboards and smartphones, time driving, arthritis in your shoulders or neck, then this myofascial yoga series for your shoulders is a simple and quick routine with amazing results. It's inspired by the pawanmuktasana series. These yoga exercises and myofascial releases using the soft foam roller restore the range of motion in your shoulder joints, but also helps to relieve pain with movement in your neck. So if you experience strain from carrying bags and purses or lifting heavy objects or sitting in sedentary positions at work all day, then this series will be so helpful. The series is also beneficial for frozen shoulder. So in addition, it will help to decrease the pain and soreness in your neck and shoulders. These yoga exercises for your shoulders relieve the tension from prolonged keyboarding, typing, mousing, gaming, and hobbies like knitting, crocheting, and cooking. Because we spend a lot of time overusing our thumbs on smartphones and the repetitive movements of our fingers and hands and wrists on keyboards for hours at a day, it creates a lot of tension in our hands and wrists that moves right up to our shoulders. So this series reduces the pain and it helps to restore the natural range of motion in your hands and wrists and all the way up to the shoulder joint. So these simple movements for your shoulders relieve rheumatoid arthritis and it helps to slow down its progression. In fact, the exercises for your shoulders are also beneficial for neck arthritis as well. The series helps to improve the circulation of blood and lymph in the body, and it improves immune function. In addition, this series is excellent for people with heart problems and high blood pressure. This short video offers myofascial release yoga with a soft foam roller. Myo means muscle, and fascia refers to the network of connective tissues that surrounds and includes your muscle. The fascial tissues get misaligned due to trauma and injury, poor movement patterns, and emotional stress. Fascia is a system of proprioception. It's rich in nerve endings, so it creates a direct pathway for nerve signals to flow to and from the brain, which aids in proprioception, coordination, and your ability to control movements. In this video, we'll use the soft foam roller to isolate the fascia of your shoulders, allowing you to create a neurophysiological response, which will enable more range of motion in your shoulders, as well as greater ease of movement and less pain. The soft foam roller is a myofascial release tool that allows you to take your soft tissue care into your own hands. Because seeing a registered massage therapist is kind of pricey, regular use of the soft foam roller is an affordable alternative and offers many of the same benefits of therapeutic massage. Using the soft foam roller on your upper back and your shoulders creates a neurophysiological response. The myofascial release influences your nervous system, which actually governs the baseline tone of your muscle. Because your fascial system is so rich in nerve endings, this gentle pressure on the fascia communicates that there's no longer the need for tension in that area. So in the case of this class, the myofascial release using the soft foam roller creates a neurological response that allows you to have greater range of motion through your shoulders and experience more ease during the movement and less pain. So if you would like to unlock the full class, as well as the whole series of all the 8 myofascial release yoga videos for all the joints of your body, from your ankles, your knees, your hips, your spine, your elbows, your wrists, your neck, then all you have to do is click on the link below and join our membership.